Okay, there are 4 transformations we could choose from here to go from P onto Q. It's clearly not a translation because P would look the Q would look the same as P, so it's definitely been turned over. It's not a reflection, and it's certainly not an enlargement because the shape is the same. So it must be a reflection. And if we look, we can see that the center of the rotation is this point here. If you look at the L shape that takes us to that corner of P, if we rotate that L shape until it's up here, we can see that that is going to take us to Q. So in fact, it's a rotation about the origin, or about the point 0, 0. So it's rotation about the origin, and the number of degrees is going to be 90 degrees clockwise. The next section asks us to reflect shape Q in the line y equals x. Now the line y equals x, if I just draw it in here, it goes through, let's just do the points in purple, it goes through 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. The y coordinate and the x coordinate are the same, or if you like, the gradient is 1 and the intercept is 0. So if I just join those up to make that straight line, here's the line y equals x, and we've got to now reflect Q in the line y equals x. There it is, I'll just label it y equals x. Now this point here of Q, that corner, is going to stay in the same place. This corner here is just going to go diagonally through and out the other side, so it's now going to be here. And this corner here is going to go diagonally through 1½ squares, so in other words, it's going to go through here, and then 1½ squares out the other side. So in fact, the new triangle is just here. A bit messy, sorry. And there's the new triangle, and that has to be labelled R.